Good morning students. Now, as I told earlier in last video, all the elements whole periodic table divided into 4 block. Extreme left S block is there. We had studied S block element. Now P block. P block element are on the extreme right side of the periodic table and they consist of groups 13, 14, 15, 16th group, 17th group and 18th group. 6 groups total included in P block. They are present on extreme right side. You know periodic table having total 18 groups. 13 to 18 group, total 6 groups included in P block. Now in first period it is helium. After that in second, third and fourth period, which elements are there in 13th group? It is boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. What for 14th group? Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. In 15th group, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. In 16th group, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. In 17th group, it is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. And in 18th group, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. These are the elements of P block. अब सबसे पहले बात करते हैं हीलियम की. हीलियम का जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है वो है 1s2. इसमें तो कहीं p ऑर्बिटल आ ही नहीं रहा है. एक्चुअली P ब्लॉक एलिमेंट किसको बोलते हैं? लास्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन एंटर्ड इन p ऑर्बिटल. इफ लास्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन entered in p orbital, then only it is P block element. But in helium only 2 electrons are there and that is also in s orbital. P तो छेद नहीं हमारा. Even then it is considered as P block element. So this is exception. We have to accept it because it has properties like these inert gases. That's why it is placed along with helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon. सारे के सारे inert gases है, सबकी property same है, इसीलिए उसको उठा के 18th ग्रुप में रखा है. ये एक्सेप्शन है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन वाइज. What is general electronic configuration for this? They have general electronic configuration as ns2np1 to 6. 13th ग्रुप में होगा ns2np1. इसका कॉन्फ़िगरेशन होगा ns2np1. For 14th group it is ns2np2. Here ns2np3. मतलब p orbital progressively filled. How many total p orbitals are there? 3. Maximum 6 electrons can be accommodated in p. That's why total 6 groups are there in p block element. Okay. P block element consists of metal, non-metal as well as metalloids. सारे present होते हैं इसमें. Metal, non-metal and metalloids. सब present है इसमें. Metalloids मतलब semi metals. ऊपर से नीचे अगर अपन मूव करते हैं तो मेटालिक प्रॉपर्टी इंक्रीज. ऊपर सारे नॉन मेटल्स हैं. जैसे ही आप लेफ्ट टू राइट मूव करें, सॉरी टॉप टू बॉटम मूव करेंगे, मेटालिक प्रॉपर्टी इंक्रीज થાય અને આમ લેફ્ટ ટુ રાઈટ જાઓ તો નોન મેટાલિક પ્રોપર્ટી ઇન્ક્રીઝ થાય. એટલે એમાં નોન મેટલ એ છે, મેટલ્સ એ છે અને સેમી મેટલ એ છે. जैसे સિલિકોન છે, આર્સેનિક, ટેલુરિયમ, આમ એ zigzag વે માં જે એલિમેન્ટ્સ આવે ને એ બધા કેવા છે? મેટલોઇડ્સ છે. So P block element consists of metal, non-metals and metalloids. Now specific names are given to different, groups. First, 16th group element, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Chalcogens. 16th group elements are called chalcogens. Chalcogen का मतलब होता है ore producing. ओर्स जो होते हैं मेटल के ओर्स वो जनरली ऑक्साइड्स होते हैं या सल्फाइड्स होते हैं. सो दे आर कॉल्ड ओर प्रोड्यूसिंग चाल्कोजेंस. एक्सेप्ट पोलोनियम आ નથી, આ રેડિયોએક્ટિવ एलिमेंट છે. बाकी બધાને ચાલ્કોજન કહેવાય. 17th ग्रुप के जो एलिमेंट्स हैं उनको बोलते हैं हैलोजेंस. हैलोजन मीन सॉल्ट प्रोड्यूसिंग. ये सारे फ्लोरीन, क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन, आयोडीन सब सी में मिलते हैं. सॉल्ट में मिलते हैं, नमक जो हम खाते हैं ना इनको सॉल्ट बोलते हैं. सो दे ऑल आर सॉल्ट प्रोड्यूसिंग, दैट्स व्हाई दे आर नोन एज हैलोजेंस. 18th ग्रुप के एलिमेंट्स को स्पेसिफिक नाम दिया है, उसका नाम है इनर्ट गैसेस, रेयर गैसेस, because they are inert, they won't react with anybody, that's why they are called inert gases. noble gases भी बोलते हैं इनको. this group elements are called nitrogen family because first element is nitrogen, तो बाकी सब elements को क्या बोलेंगे, nitrogen family. this is called carbon family, this is called boron family. so specific name is given to elements present in p block elements. p block have total 6 groups: boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. They are the first elements and accordingly they named like boron family, carbon family, nitrogen family. इसके लिए specific name chalcogen, this is called halogen and they are known as noble gases. Clear? These are the elements of group 13 to 18 comes under p block. General configuration ns2 np1 to ns2 np6. अब आपको इसमें कोई पूछे कि व्हाट इज जनरल कॉन्फ़िगरेशन फॉर हैलोजेंस, ये रहा हैलोजन, क्या कॉन्फ़िगरेशन होगा, ns2 np5. व्हाट फॉर इनर्ट गैसेस, ns2 np6. 3 p orbitals are there. If one electron is there in p, np1 then boron, np2 carbon, np3 nitrogen family, np4 chalcogens, np5 halogens, and if completely filled np6 then they are called inert gases. इनको याद रखने के भी तरीके होते हैं, जैसे मैंने बना दिया, मैंने क्या मगब किया इसको पीरियोडिक टेबल को, एक सिस्टमेटिक वे थी, याद रखो तो याद रही जाए, પછી જેને જેમ યાદ રહે એવી રીતના કરી શકાય. આ ગ્રુપ યાદ રાખવું હોય 13th ગ્રુપના એલિમેન્ટ તો કેવી રીતના યાદ રાખવાના, બેંગન, આલુ, ગોભી ઇન થેલા. ઓરિજિનલ નેમ યાદ રાખવાના એના, બોરોન, એલ્યુમિનિયમ, ગેલિયમ, ઇન્ડિયમ એન્ડ થેલિયમ. અને કેવી રીતના યાદ રાખી શકાય, મારા ટીચરે અમને બતાવ્યું હતું એટલે હું તમને બતાવું. બેંગન, આલુ, ગોભી ઇન થેલા. પછી આ ગ્રુપ યાદ રાખવું હોય તો કહે શિવજી, સુને પાર્વતી. પછી થર્ડ ગ્રુપ યાદ રાખવું હોય તો ન્યુઝીલેન્ડ, પાકિસ્તાન, ઓસ્ટ્રેલિયા सब बिके. પછી આ ગ્રુપ ઓર, સ્ટાઇલ, સે, ટીપો, પોલોનિયમ. આ ચાલ્કોજન નથી બટ એલિમેન્ટ તો છે જ. પોલોનિયમ કેવું છે, રેડિયો એક્ટિવ. एस्टेटीन केवु छे, रेडियो एक्टिव. रेडॉन केवु छे, रेडियो एक्टिव एलिमेंट. फिर कल बाहर आई आंटी અને હે ની અગર કર 0 રન પર. એવી રીતના તમે આ પીરિયોડિક ટેબલ યાદ રાખી શકો ને યાદ રાખવાનું થશે. ગ્રુપ વાઇઝ જ્યારે આપણે ડિટેલ સ્ટડી કરશું પી બ્લોક 11th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડમાં જ છે, એની રિએક્શન્સ, એની પ્રોપર્ટીઝ, તો પ્રોપર્ટીઝ સિક્વન્સમાં જ ચેન્જ થાય એટલે આપણે એલિમેન્ટ સિક્વન્સમાં જ યાદ રાખવા પડશે, એના કોન્ફિગરેશન એવરીથિંગ. તો સિક્વન્સમાં એલિમેન્ટ્સ આપણે આવી રીતના યાદ રાખી શકાય. So this is P block. Next we come towards D block element. In periodic table, between S and P, D block is present. D block starts from 4th period. जैसे यहाँ पे S block है, ये दो एलिमेंट्स हैं, S block. इधर P block एलिमेंट्स हैं, 6th group, 5 और 6. First group, second, પછી અહીંયાથી 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. फर्स्ट पीरियड है वो हाइड्रोजन है और हीलियम है. पीरियोडिक टेबल बना रहे हैं पर ये फर्स्ट हुआ. फर्स्ट पीरियड हाउ मेनी एलिमेंट्स, ओनली 2. सेकेंड पीरियड लिथियम, बेरिलियम, यहाँ से आओ बोरोन, कार्बन, नाइट्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, फ्लोरीन અને नियॉन. टिल नियॉन टोटल 8 elements in the periodic table. Second period. Third period have started from sodium, then magnesium, after that aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and argon. Total 8 elements in third period. Now in fourth period it is potassium, then calcium. After that D block element starts here. First series of transition elements. આમાં first, second, પછી અહીંથી આવશે third, fourth, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11 આ 12 પછી ઓલો 13 થઈ જાય એટલે આ વચ્ચે આટલા એલિમેન્ટ્સ અહીંયા ન હોય दिस इज पीरियोडिक टेबल ये जो अपन एलिमेंट्स पढ़ रहे हैं 3 to 12 में जो इंक्लूड हो रहे हैं उसको बोलते हैं अपन डी ब्लॉक कौन से एलिमेंट्स हैं ये डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स ये कौन से थे एस ब्लॉक ई કયા હતા આ સાઈડ કયા હતા બધા પી બ્લોક અને વચ્ચે જે આવે છે એસ ને પી ની વચ્ચે they are known as D block elements fourth period से start हो रहे हैं कौन सा पीरियड है फोर्थ पीरियड फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड और फोर्थ पीरियड से स्टार्ट होते हैं ऐसे पढ़ते हैं इनको हॉरिजॉन्टल सीरीज आती है स्कैंडियम टिटेनियम वैनेडियम क्रोमियम मैंगनीज आयरन कोबाल्ट निकल कॉपर एंड जिंक इसको बोलते हैं 3D सीरीज डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स आर आल्सो नोन एज ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स क्या बोलते हैं इनको ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स D block elements further known as transition elements they have different series this is first series scandium to zinc second is yttrium to cadmium second series yttrium to cadmium this is fifth period અહીંયા શું હતું પોટેશિયમ પછી rubidium strontium પછી yttrium આવે ત્યાંથી ચાલુ થઈને cadmium સુધી પૂરું થશે after that next element sixth period में यहाँ पे आता है lanthanum इसका एटॉमिक नंबर है 57 उसके बाद बीच में 14 एलिमेंट्स F ब्लॉक में आवे એના પછી અહીંથી ચાલુ થાય सीरियम टू ल्यूटेटियम આપણે F ब्लॉक में डिस्कस करશું પછી અહીંથી પાછું D ब्लॉक एलिमेंट ચાલુ થાય અને ક્યાં સુધી પૂરું થશે મર્ક્યુરી Hg एलिमेंट्स दिए हुए पीरियोडिक टेबल में जैसे जैसे आगे ग्रुप पढ़ोगे वैसे वैसे आते जाएंगे यट्रियम जिरकोनियम नियोबियम मोलिब्डेनम टेक्नीशियम Tc after that it is ruthenium Rh then palladium silver and cadmium 4D series second series this series is called second series third series માં lanthanum એના પછી કયું છે હોફમિયમ HF tungsten Re then it is osmium after that iridium platinum then it is gold and mercury this is called another series of transition elements sixth period and last is seventh period यहाँ पे actinium है 89 फिर एलिमेंट गायब है उसके बाद रदरफोर्डियम से स्टार्ट हो रहा है एंड रदरफोर्डियम हैव 104 एटॉमिक नंबर जो અહીંયા 57 છે પછી હોફમિયમ થી પાછું ચાલુ થાય 72 એટલે વચ્ચે એલિમેન્ટ્સ મિસિંગ છે EF બ્લોક માં આવશે after rutherfordium it is dubnium Db so many are there so total 4 series are there of D block elements how many series 4 series scandium to zinc yttrium to cadmium lanthanum to mercury and actinium to the last one is UUB unbium these are known as D block elements or transition elements so how many series are there in transition elements these 4 series are there S block हटा दिया क्योंकि हम अभी D block पढ़ रहे हैं this is D block element this is P block what are the properties of D block elements number 1 this series is called 3D series because 3D orbital is filled with electrons this is called 4D series of transition elements this is called 5D and this is known as 6D series of transition elements so 4 series are there in transition element 3D 4D 5D and 6D series now what is their general configuration general electronic configuration is NS122 N-1D पहला लिखिए N-1D 1 to 10 and ns 1 to 2. This is the general configuration for d block elements. If you remember, copper and chromium have some exceptions. Exception electronic configuration. ત્યારે એ લોકોના configuration માં 4s1 થઈ ગયું હતું. 1 to 2 હોઈ શકે s માં અને d have 1 to 10. First 3d પછી 4s આવે. Then 4d 5s like this. So general configuration is n minus 1d 1 to 10 ns 1 to 2. How many groups they have? Total 12 groups are included of periodic table. See, 3 to 10 groups are, not 12, 10 groups. 3 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in each series there are 10 elements. In each series, how many elements are there in D block? 10 elements are there. First starts from scandium to zinc. Second from yttrium to cadmium. Third is lanthanum to mercury. And fourth is actinium to barium. 112 atomic number of us. Transition elements are some properties, D block element. First is they are colored. Their solutions are colored. आप लेबोरेटरी में मूव करो और जितने भी कलर्ड सॉल्यूशंस दिखाई देते हैं they all are made up of transition elements, D block element. जैसे copper sulfate, blue in color. Copper belongs to D block element. Ferrous sulfate, green in color. Fe belong to transition element. So solutions of compounds of transition element or D block elements are generally colored. Second property they show, that is they show paramagnetism. Due to unpaired electron they show paramagnetism. मतलब they are magnetic, they possess magnetic property. Iron, cobalt and nickel ये तो magnet बनाने के काम आते हैं. So transition element also show magnetic property. Third property they possess, that is they form coordination compounds, complex compounds. बाद में पढ़ेंगे हम. What type of compound formed by them? Complex compounds. Complex compounds को और क्या बोलते हैं? Coordination compounds. So they form complex compound as they have so many vacant orbitals, so they can accommodate electrons. Hence they form coordination or complex compounds. These are few. They are act as catalyst. They are very good catalyst. अगर आप कभी देखो तो transition elements are या उनके compounds ही बहुत अच्छे catalyst होते हैं. So all of them are very good catalyst. These are few properties of D block elements. Why they are known as transition elements? Because S block have metallic property, P block elements possess non-metallic property, और ये बीच में है तो ये transit करते हैं properties को from metal to non-metal. That's why they are known as transition elements. 3 block we had completed. Now the last one, 4th block element, that is F block. So whole periodic table divided into 4 block. F block element. F block elements are also known as inner transition elements. They are also called inner transition elements. Why they are called inner transition elements? Because they are present in between two transition elements. That's why they are called inner transition elements. F block elements, or they are also known as inner transition element. Why they are called F block elements? Because last electron entered in F orbital. Last electron entered in F orbital. That's why it is called F block element. Two series is there for F block elements. Two series. Each consists of 14 elements. Each has 14. Total 32 elements are there. कहाँ से स्टार्ट होके कहाँ पे खत्म होते हैं? सीरियम एटॉमिक नंबर 58 टू ल्यूटेटियम एटॉमिक नंबर 71. इसका नाम है ल्यूटेटियम. ये कौन है? सीरियम. 57 to 71. Total 14 elements are there. This series is called lanthanoid series. नाम क्या है इसका? Lanthanoids. And 4f orbital progressively filled. Total 7 orbital in F. So one by one electron will be filled up. इसका कॉन्फ़िगरेशन 4f1 देन 4f2 4f3 यहाँ पे आके क्या रहेगा 4f14. So first 14 element series is called lanthanoid series. It starts from cerium to lutetium. Why it is called lanthanoid? Because it is followed by lanthanum. અહીંયા lanthanum આવે. ઈ lanthanoid માં નથી પણ lanthanum થી સ્ટાર્ટ થાય છે. આનું એટોમિક નંબર 57 છે. પછી તમે લ્યુટેટિયમ ની ઓલી સાઈડ જાઓ એટલે તમને કયું એલિમેન્ટ મળે? હોફમિયમ. લ્યુટેટિયમ ની આ સાઈડ કયું છે? હોફમિયમ, જેનો એટોમિક નંબર 72 છે. આ બે ટ્રાન્ઝિશન એલિમેન્ટ છે. આ એફ બ્લોક એલિમેન્ટ છે. એફ બ્લોક એલિમેન્ટ આર પ્રેઝન્ટ બિટવીન ટ્રાન્ઝિશન એલિમેન્ટ. ધેટ્સ વાય દે આર નોન એઝ ઇનર ટ્રાન્ઝિશન એલિમેન્ટ્સ. 57 થી ડાયરેક્ટ 72 આવ્યું હતું ટ્રાન્ઝિશન એલિમેન્ટમાં. વચ્ચેના એલિમેન્ટ કોણ હતા? एफ ब्लॉक एलिमेंट. 6th पीरियड में आते हैं. किसमें आते हैं? दे बिलोंग टू 6th पीरियड. Similarly, in 7th period we have another 14 elements. एक्टिनियम होता है, उसका एटॉमिक नंबर 89 है, वो तो ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट है. उधर रदरफोर्डियम होता है जिसका एटॉमिक नंबर 104 है, ये भी ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट है. उसके बीच में इनर ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट है. स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम थोरियम एटॉमिक नंबर 92 to lawrencium atomic number 103. Lr, lawrencium. These are the actinoid element. इस 14 एलिमेंट के सीरीज को क्या बोलते हैं? एक्टिनॉइड्स. આ બે ઇન્ક્લુડ નથી થતા, તો ટ્રાન્ઝિશન એલિમેન્ટ્સ છે. આ 14 એલિમેન્ટ્સ, આ બધા કયા છે? એફ બ્લોક એલિમેન્ટ. They are called inner transition elements. Why they are called? Because they are present between transition element. That's why they are known as inner transition elements. नाम याद रखना है, स्टार्टिंग और एंड वाले. सीरियम, ल्यूटेटियम, this is thorium and lawrencium. Lawrencium 103 atomic number. Clear? These are the 14 elements, actinoids and lanthanoids. Now in lanthanoid, 4f orbital filled. Similarly in actinoids, 5f orbital progressively filled by the electrons. 5f1, 5f2, total 14 elements આવે કારણ કે 14 electron 5f માં maximum આવશે. General configuration for f block element is देखो f block में कैसे होता है. जैसे अपन लैंथेनॉइड्स की बात करें तो सबसे पहले 6s में इलेक्ट्रॉन फिल होते हैं आउटर मोस्ट. उसके पास अंदर 5d में इलेक्ट्रॉन फिल होते हैं और उसके बाद 4f ऑर्बिटल फिल होता है एनर्जी वाइज. तो ये जो शेल है जिसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन भरते हैं अंदर, उसको एंटी पेनल्टीमेट शेल बोलते हैं. एंटी पेनल्टीमेट शेल. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर एंटरिंग इन एंटी पेनल्टीमेट शेल. इसको कौन सा शेल बोलते हैं? वैलेंस शेल, आउटर मोस्ट शेल. उसके अंदर वाले शेल को क्या बोलते हैं? पेनल्टीमेट शेल. और उसके अंदर वाले शेल को क्या बोलते हैं? एंटी पेनल्टीमेट. तो इन लैंथेनॉइड एंड एक्टिनॉइड्स एंटी पेनल्टीमेट शेल में इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फिल થાય. અંદરના 4f અને 5f orbital get filled with electrons. Okay, general configuration इसीलिए क्या होगा? n-2 s2, that is 6s2. After that n-1 d 0 or 1, and after that n f1 to 14. This is the configuration for 0 भी आता है कभी कभी. थोरियम एक्सेप्शन है, उसमें लास्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन f में एंटर ही नहीं करता है, फिर भी थोरियम कंसिडर्ड एज f block element. There are few exceptions that we have to remember. Otherwise, in general, if you want to write configuration for lanthanoids, general configuration, then lanthanoids have general configuration as 4f1 to 14, and actinoids you can write as 5f1 to 14. So two series of 14 elements each in f block elements. They are also colored. They also show paramagnetism. In detail we'll study in 12th standard. Clear? This is division of periodic table into 4 blocks. They are called SPDF. 18th group, 7th period, how to write configuration, everything we had completed. In next video, we will start with some properties, periodic properties of elements.